Lindol, bagyo, lindol, repeat. Ano ba? Ulit-ulit ko sa isip ko, sabi ko ito yung mga bagay na kailangan kong i-prepare. Water, snacks, medicine, first aid kit, flashlight, whistle, emergency cash, IDs, ATM, USB with digital copies ng mga documents. And then I remembered na as a freelancer, as a virtual assistant, I have to have 2 layers of preparedness. Of course, number 1 is personal safety, but you also have to think about work continuity. So initially, I was just planning to have 2 bags ready to go. Pero ngayon, I am considering na i-ready na yung maleta para lang meron kami na isang hihilahin lang for whatever reason na we have to leave or evacuate. Kasi napakalaki ng padating na bagyo, diba? And tatamaan directly ang Quezon. Ready na ako mag-swim doon sa swimming pool namin pag nasira yung bubong. Pero alam mo yung isip ka ng isip. Freelancers, this is just a reminder to have at least 2 emergency go bags. We have the basic snacks, meds, ID, small cash. This is for your peace of mind. On top of that, let's also try, if we can lang if we can, to have a secondary bag na anytime na we need to leave, isushoot natin doon yung mga laptops natin. Let's call it the emergency tech go bag. Maglagay na kayo doon. Kung may resort ba kayo sa bahay, doon yung nailagay yung mga hard drive nyo, headset, power bank, flashlight, and then yung mga connectivity items, mga connectivity backup na pocket wifi, extra SIM, extra cellphone, mini UPS kung meron kayo, chargeable fan, rechargeable light, if you have portable generator. If hindi nyo pa ginagawa to, for digital safekeeping, cloud backup, password manager, emergency message that's ready to be sent to your client. Mag-advance na rin kayo ng notice sa kanila that there's this bagyo na padating na baka maapektuhan kayo. Then, I personally like taking screenshots talaga. So, if you can, take screenshots para lang meron din kayo sa phone niyo and back up your contact list. Again, the personal essential is your priority. It would also be good to have one na naka-ready just in case kailangan lumikas, isarang laptop or kunin yung, alam mo yun, nandun ako sa part na yun eh. Like, iniisip ko talaga, okay, I have 2 laptops here plus yung kay Mr. As in, isasara ko lang siya, kukunin ko yung charger, kukunin ko yung iPad, everything, all in one go. Tryin ko up with the list, ilalagay ko na lang sa blue para meron tayong checklist. Let's all put it in a waterproof bag that's near your workspace para shoot lang ng shoot. Let's start building our emergency freelancer go bag too. Stay safe everyone. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismes. Bye!